India Today TV, along with 70 other news channels, is a proud member of the News Broadcasters Association since 2007. We strictly follow the code of ethics and guidelines issued by NBSA. Beware of unregulated channels.
Now, meanwhile, Deepika Padukone's manager, Karishma Prakash, will be grilled today in Mumbai by the narco team. She arrived in the city late last night along with Deepika Padukone from Goa, where the actor was shooting for her upcoming film. Karishma's name came up under the NCD radar after her chat from October 2017 revealed that Deepika had allegedly sought mal, more specifically hash, from her, to which Karishma allegedly had agreed and provided the same. Remember, Karishma works for Quant Talent Management firm, the same company where Sushant's manager Jaya Saha is a partner. So far, apart from Jaya Saha, you've had Quant owner Madhu Mandhena, CEO Dhruv Chidgopekar. They've also been grilled by the NCB. Divyesh Singh is joining us with more details on this. Divyesh, so today the NCB was supposed to question Deepika Padukone. That, however, has changed. It's going to be Deepika's manager as well as Rakul Preet today.
Yes, Akshita, Deepika was summoned by the Narcotics Control Bureau to appear and join investigations in the ongoing drug probe that has been launched by the Narcotics Control Bureau. But Deepika has sought a day's time to appear before the NCB. She requested Narcotics Control Bureau officials that she be allowed to join investigations on Saturday. She was summoned today. She was asked to appear before NCB at 11 a.m. today, but she has sought a day's time. Meanwhile, Rakul Preet Singh, another actress who's worked in Bollywood and Tollywood as well, has been asked to appear and join investigation. She was also asked to join investigation yesterday by the NCB, where she claimed that she hasn't received any summons, after which fresh summons were issued to Rakul Preet Singh. NCB team dropped the summons at her residence, and after which she's been asked to appear today at 11 a.m. by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Also, Karishma Prakash, who's the talent manager at Quant Talent Management, and also the same person with whom Deepika Padukone had communicated regarding procurement of banned narcotic drugs, has also been asked to join investigations. And today it is expected that Karishma Prakash could join investigations and record her statements by the Narcotics Control Bureau. Deepika Padukone, in a WhatsApp chat with Karishma Prakash, had asked specifically for mal, and she also clarified that she needed hashish for a party happening same evening in Mumbai.
And what will be interesting, the reason that Deepika's manager's questioning also will be crucial, Divyesh, is because tomorrow Deepika will be appearing before the NCB. So whatever her manager Karishma says today with the narco team, that perhaps will be used to further interrogate Deepika as well.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.